Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora. So today I'm going to give you 3 Rakhi outfit ideas, and these outfit ideas are from the pieces which are already existing in your closet. So guys, my first outfit is this plain blue maxi dress which I had, and you can take any simple and anarkali. This maxi was in a A-line form, so I paired it up with a heavy dupatta from my mom's closet in a contrasting shade, and I'm wearing a choker, a ring and a watch to accessorize this outfit so that it amps up for the occasion. And you can see how classy and sassy this looks, right? I love the way it has come out. I love the contrasting dupatta, and my outfit is instantly looking great. I'm wearing it with Punjabi juttis. The second outfit is this simple lacy net rug with a tube bralette under it from my western wardrobe, and basic palazzo pants. Yes, these are basic black palazzo pants from Zara, and I've paired it up with this lacy net rug and a tube and a sling bag, a statement pair of earrings, silver jewelry, and simple flats. Nothing fancy, guys. Old pieces from wardrobes just done the right way. And you can see this outfit has come out so nice. It is basic, it is easy, and it is good for all you young girls out there who like wearing not wearing a lot of heavy stuff. This is cool, casual, smart and chic. Trust me, your relatives will love it, and your brothers will be like, oh my god, you are such a pro in styling, you know. And the flats, they look great. So my third outfit is this basic cotton kurta. I have nothing fancy. You can pair up a basic cotton kurta with Punjabi jutti and a pair of denims. So I've amped up this basic outfit with good Indian earrings, a ring, a couple of bangles, and you can see how prepped up I look for the occasion of Rakhi. It is chic, simple, girly and stylish. All of us want to look young at the same time, right? So this is basic and nice. So you do not need to invest in any pieces this Rakhi. All you need, watch this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment down below which one is your favorite outfit, and share this video with your sisters. And thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube